Every 39 seconds, a new cyber attack occurs somewhere in the world. Most people think hackers are geniuses, sitting in dark basements, breaking through complex firewalls with green code flying across their screens. But the reality is much more calculated and much more dangerous. They don't just want your password, they want your identity, your bank accounts, and your digital footprint. Today, we are pulling back the curtain on the actual methods hackers use to steal your data, and more importantly, how you can build a digital fortress to stop them. The most effective way to break into a secure system isn't through the software, it's through the human. This is called social engineering. Think of it as a digital con game. The most common form is phishing. You receive an urgent email or text. Your account has been compromised, or your package delivery failed. It looks identical to a message from Amazon, Google, or your bank. But when you click that link and enter your credentials, you aren't logging in. You are handing your keys directly to the attacker. In 2026, these attacks have evolved. With AI, hackers can now mimic the exact writing style of your boss or a family member. If a message creates a sense of extreme urgency or asks for sensitive info, stop. Look at the URL. Look at the sender's address. If it's even one letter off, it's a trap. We've all done it. You're at a coffee shop or an airport, and you connect to the free public Wi-Fi. It's convenient, but it's also one of the easiest ways to get hacked. This is known as a man-in-the-middle attack. A hacker sets up a fake Wi-Fi hotspot with a legitimate-sounding name. Once you connect, every single piece of data you send, your emails, your login sessions, your credit card numbers, passes through their device before it reaches the internet. They don't even need to break anything. They are simply listening. To them, your unencrypted data is like a postcard that anyone can read. This is why using a reputable VPN and ensuring every site you visit has the HTTPS padlock is no longer optional. It's a necessity for survival in the digital age. But what if you never click a bad link and never use public Wi-Fi? You can still be a victim through credential stuffing. Hackers don't always target you specifically. They target large corporations. When a website you used 5 years ago gets breached, your email and password end up on a list in the dark web. Hackers then use automated bots to try that same combination on thousands of other sites, like your Gmail, your bank, or your crypto exchange. If you use the same password for everything, you aren't just leaving one door open. You're giving a master key to your entire life. This is where brute force attacks come in, where powerful computers try millions of password combinations per second until they hit the jackpot. So, how do you become a ghost to these attackers? It comes down to 4 non-negotiable steps. First, use a dedicated password manager. You should have a unique 16-character password for every single account. You don't need to remember them. The manager does. Second, enable hardware-based two-factor authentication. SMS codes can be intercepted through SIM swapping. A physical security key or an authenticator app is much harder to bypass. Third, treat every unsolicited link as a threat. If a company contacts you, go to their official website directly instead of clicking the link in the message. And fourth, keep your software updated. Those annoying system update pop-ups, they usually contain patches for security holes that hackers are actively exploiting. The digital world is a frontier, and like any frontier, it has its outlaws. But by understanding their tactics, you take away their power. Your data is your most valuable asset. Protect it like it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. We dive deep into the mechanics of the digital world to keep you informed and secure. Stay safe, and we'll see you in the next video.